Andrew's a little behind right now, so I'm just gonna load up the car right now. Loaded up. I don't know how we're gonna fit 2 other bikes in here. We'll make it happen. Inflow is really busy right now, so we couldn't film anything there. So we're going to McDonald's to get some lunch. And Andrew's here. Hopefully it's open till 10. I don't think we'll stay that late, but we'll see how she goes. You even street. Update, Andrew, how do you feel about today?
My ass is so fucking wet.
Excuse me. Andrew, what do you think about this leg?
It's wet as hell.
It's wet, but we're making things happen. Yeah, that's doable. That's doable.
That was great. Angle. From what, that side? You did it with his bag on.
I headbutted the wall, and the guy looked at me right away and headbutted it. Yeah! Yay! Ew! We can't really do that much here.
Let's go.
Okay. McDonald's.
This is really awkward.
I got it. Andrew. Hi, can I get the 10-piece nugget meal, please?
Sure. There you go, hon. House serving guest fee order number 277.
$2.79.
House serving guest fee order number 279.
Right here, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have you seen Shime's Instagram? What's inflow? Ah, shit. Dang it. That looked... Oh. Yo! Look at that.
Yeet.
Ew!
Yeah, it is slow. It's crazy. It's hard. Woo! Fuck.
We left him flow. It's really windy right now at Waterdown, but there's no one here, which is good because all the skaters cleared when it started raining. But the audio's gonna be junk, so we're not gonna put any audio in the video. There's this guy coming. It's 9 o'clock in the morning right now, and we're at Waterdown again because when we came before it was a storm. So now we're at Waterdown, and there's no one here. It's like -5. Well, it's no one's here in the morning. But Jacob's here and Luca, but he's in the sun, so you can't really see him. So that's that, and we have the whole park to ourselves right now. So we could probably get more than 2.5 clips, unlike last time.
That wasn't it.
I gotta jump on the pedal.
Stop queefing, Matt. Let's go. I love dicks.
I got my rucksack on. We're going to McDonald's. The lineup's pretty big right now, and I feel like an idiot holding this camera, but who cares, right? We're gonna go to, yeah. Yeah, we have cameras. We both have cameras. Yeah. We're crossing. We're out here crossing streets, and watch out, because we're crossing your streets. If you shoot too low, it doesn't look good. Yeah. But if you're going like this, it doesn't look good. So you gotta really sell it. See, look at these. See, they're staring right at me. Ba-da-bum-bum-ba. How do you feel about the Northeastern nacho crisis?
Holy shit, that's bad, eh?
Hey, Northeastern nacho crisis thoughts.
Go look on the Hamilton Spectator, and you'll see some very upsetting stories of many families and losing their nachos. You know, they're out there losing their nachos.
Do they have salsa still?
No salsa. They only have sour cream. But who likes sour cream, right?
Sour cream is for the pickles. Just got some breakfast. Sausage, egg, and muffin with a little orange juice. It's not very cold. And coffee. And Luca with his cute little parfait. Jacob's still ordering. Oh! Drop in!
So, yeah.
Oh. Okay, ready again. Let's go, ready? Oh, sick, man.
Yeah, that's nice, eh?
Ba-da-bum-bum-ba.